Hi, welcome to another new topic, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to make new pages on Wix store. As you can see, we are already landed in Wix Shopee store and I already set up everything. I hope so you already did completed your setup, and right now just follow my procedure how I am going to create a new page in Wix store. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be go in here in the left corner. In next to the Wix store, you will find out lots of option. In here, you need to be go in the third option. Here you will find out pages and menus option. Just click overhand and it will come overhand and you will find out some site menu option, and next to the site menu in the right corner you will find out another option that called add page option. Hit on the add page option and you will be redirect to here. In here you can create a blank page or you can use existing page from the template. So wishes from you can choose anything you want. So I will create a blank page, so I will hit on the blank page and it will open here. You can see the new page has been come over me and I will name it home. So this is my home page and I will hit on the done button and the home page has been created and it will already set on the menu bar. I will make sure the home button will be the first option and the page created has been done. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and also you can comment on the comment below and share with your friends. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, thank you.